If you're struggling to stay consistent with content or just don't know what to post every day, this video might completely change the game for you. I'm going to show you how you can create 30 days of content in just 1 hour using AI. And yes, this includes finding ideas, writing scripts, and even generating videos automatically. Let's get into it. So first, let's talk about the biggest problem most creators face: consistency. I'm going to show you exactly how to create 30 days of content in just 1 hour using AI, even if you're a complete beginner. This includes all the heavy lifting: finding viral ideas, writing full scripts, and automatically generating the videos themselves. The core issue is consistency. Coming up with fresh ideas every single day is exhausting. You sit there thinking, what should I post today? And before you know it, hours are gone. That precious time wasted trying to figure out what to post is exactly where AI steps in to help. I recently started using a tool called Syllaby, and honestly, it feels like having a full content team working for you. Syllaby handles the toughest parts of content creation, making it feel like you have an entire team dedicated to your growth. Step 1. You enter your niche. Whether it's fitness, health, business, or motivation, the AI instantly pulls up viral content ideas based on what people are already searching for online. Step 2. It writes the script for you. Yes, full scripts, in seconds. The AI structures everything for you: hooks, body, and even engaging storytelling. Step 3. It turns those scripts into videos. We're talking about faceless videos, voiceovers, captions, everything done automatically. So within minutes, you can have multiple videos ready to go. And here's the crazy part about Syllaby: you can literally batch create an entire month of content in under an hour. That means no more daily stress, no more burnout, just consistent posting and growth. This is the power of automation. And in 2026, this is exactly where content creation is heading. Now, if you're serious about growing your content, I highly recommend you try this out for yourself. Syllaby is one of the easiest ways to save time, stay consistent, and grow faster right now. This is especially powerful if you're running a YouTube channel, TikTok, or even promoting products online. I've left a link in the description where you can check it out and get started. Go ahead, test it, create a few videos, and see how much time you save. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.